What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be drawing a fairly interesting 737 for Lunar New Year Special. And that is going to be the Air China 737-700 painted in the 2008 Summer Olympics Special Livery. This particular 737 I'm drawing here is registered as B5211. She was delivered to Air China in 2005 and was converted into this special paint scheme shortly after Beijing had been qualified as the host of the 2008 Summer Olympics. This special One World, One Dream livery has a fairly interesting design and a very fantastic look. On this plane, the paint actually fades from a dark blue to light blue as it goes through the fuselage. This creates a very awesome look visually, and is definitely one of the best 737 liveries I've ever seen. And what's even more interesting about this 737 is that it is converted into another version of the Air China special liveries after the Beijing Olympics was over. And as of now, this 737 is still serving in the Air China fleet in this livery. Besides this aircraft, Air China has also painted another two 737-700 into the same One World, One Dream Olympics livery. And also don't forget to tell me your opinion about these liveries in the comment section below. And let's keep on with the drawing. Here we go, guys, we are finally done with this beautiful Air China 737-700. And just before you leave, make sure to drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video to your friends and families. This is XModder077 as always, and I'll see you guys again in the next one.